तुमको अपनी कसम जाने जा, उम्र भर ना तरसते रहो आज जाने की जिद ना करो. Hi guys, this is Adarsh Gaurav and you're watching me on Zest. I was honestly rooting for Anthony Hopkins because I've been a diehard fan of Anthony Hopkins since I was a child. I think it was just an incredible honor for me to be written in the same line as Sir Anthony Hopkins and Riz and Chadwick Boseman and Mads Mikkelsen, Tahar Rahim. All these guys are world-class actors. I think I was very fortunate to have been part of a film that gave me the opportunity to be nominated for something like this, and that in itself is a victory for me. Yeah. I was really glad that Irfan sir and Rishi sir were, they had a special mention, and of course Priyanka was there as as a presenter, and I feel not just Indian but like the South Asian. There was a very strong representation of South Asian community this year, and it's only justified that we are present at these events in strong numbers because we literally comprise of 1/4 of the world's population. And White Tiger and Life of Pi and Slumdog Millionaire and $1 Million Arm, all these films are examples of how even stories based on South Asian communities do really well because there is such a big audience, and because at the end of the day stories are universal, emotions are universal, and I've been getting messages from all over the world, from Iceland to Australia, which is a testimony to that fact. That people relate to the journey of a character that goes from the darkness to the light. I think the presence of OTT will only become bigger and bigger. It's like a growing jellyfish, and I think that's also opened like an incredible amount of opportunities for all kinds of artists, not just actors, directors, writers, producers alike, because there's no pressure of a film achieving or doing like a certain number in terms of business. People can just focus on their thing. Actors can focus on their craft. Directors can just focus on their direction instead of worrying about whether this film will be a hit or a flop. I think people just really want to watch good content irrespective of who's in it. So I don't think it really matters anymore about what your brand value has been before, but it just matters whether you're an honest actor, a good actor or not. So I'm really glad to be existing in such a time. Yeah, I think we are headed in the right direction where the star is the story and the star is the script. All you need is an honest actor and an honest director who's committed to it at that point in time to justify the story and the script, and to make sure that it's done either in a better way or at least as good as it's being written. In terms of Raj and Priyanka, both it's the work ethic they carry with themselves. They're incredibly dedicated and passionate about their work. If they feel that the scene can be done in a better way, they will go request the director for one more take so that it can become better and for the greater good of the film. I guess these are all actors who work towards making a film a better film. They're very selfless in that sense. When Balram runs and opens the back door of the car for Ashok, I sort of started doing that for friends. When I used to go out with people, I would open the back door, and it's just something that when I would do it instantly, I would be like, shit, this is not me, this is Balram. I mean, it's a very nice thing to do, of course, I'd love to do it, but it was something I started doing after Balram started. It's essentially to understand the background of the human being that I'm playing and where he comes from and how he thinks about the world and how he thinks about his family and his friends. That I had very bad posture before I became aware of it. That I was not a good listener and I would pre-decide things. That I wasn't watching a lot of films and I wasn't reading a lot of books till a certain age, and I feel that as an artist it's very, very important to constantly be reading and watching stuff because it expands your sort of gives you a wider perspective on things. I would have told the 14-year-old Adarsh to take it easy and not worry about fitting in too much and to have continued classical music. I don't have a dream project in mind, but I would love to act with Joaquin Phoenix, Tom Hanks, Al Pacino. Yeah, these guys are Joe Pesci. I'd love to be in a scene with any of these guys.